I have some of the best Amazon fashion finds right now for women 40 plus. In fact, most people will not even know that these finds are from Amazon. And per popular request, I have individually linked every single product down below in that description box. And of course, there is the master list that you can go to shop everything from this video as well. Oh my gosh, this two-piece set, this is giving me Anthropologie vibes, look for less. As you can see here though, it barely shows the midriff. I don't mind showing a little midriff, just not too much, if you know what I mean. A little peekaboo is just fine. I love all the eyelet details. I love the length on the skirt. And this top is so chic, so elevated. I have been seeing this all over the interwebs, particularly on Instagram. It's been viral. I had to give it a whirl, and I have to say it is worth it. This fun two-piece set, I had to know, what does this look like in real life? This is giving me European, Italian vibes. The fabric feels so nice. I love this beautiful color combination. It just looks so stunning. It's a two-piece set that comes with the pants, which are very stretchy and comfortable, and then the off-the-shoulder detail with the top. If you want a showstopper, this is it right here. This is also a great transition piece into the fall. Lemons, lemons, and more lemons. This dress reminds me of Italy. I want to travel there so bad. I have not yet been there. So I'm just going to be wearing all things Italian inspired until further notice. This dress, stunning, nice spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable. I love the V-neck detail right here, so you can wear your favorite jewelry, smocking on the back, so it's so comfortable. The length on this is wonderful, and this blue and yellow combination just looks absolutely beautiful. I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Halara. And as a special gift to you, you can get 20% off full-priced items using my code jeanco. What I love about Halara is the quality of fabric. They are made to move with you in all the things that you have going on in your life. Softness, stretchability, and a comfortable yet breathable feel, while at the same time remaining durable. You know, I have 4 kids, so I need to be able to bend, squat. You don't have to worry about them being see-through. All of these pieces can be styled for different occasions: everyday wear, work wear, travel, lounge, or just running errands. There are so many different color options and sizing options, from extra small all the way up to 4X. If you love saving money and you love quality, then these pieces are for you. Top quality products at a fair price. You are going to find such a diverse range of activewear and casual wear. Everyone can discover pieces that flawlessly align with your personal style preference. If you've never tried Halara before, you absolutely have to, or take advantage of the 20% off, which is amazing. And you know that I have tried so many different pieces of clothing on from so many different brands, and Halara, hands down, has excellent, superb quality. They're loose in all the right places, and they hug you in all the right places, if you know what I mean. I love all of these pieces. It's so hard to decide which one is my favorite, so you'll have to let me know in that comments box below which one you thought fit me best and which one you're going to add to cart. And make sure that you use my discount code jeanco so that you can get 20% off full price items. The most gorgeous tennis dress that I have in maybe 4 different color options. I have it in black, I have it in white, I have it in red, and now I have it in this sort of peachy color is what we're going to call it. It does come with built-in pads that you can take them out should you want to. Spaghetti straps, which are fully adjustable and nice and stretchy. It has the built-in shorts, which actually stay down and do not ride up. Very comfortable. Now the length is a little bit shorter, but it has the built-in shorts. This is going to pair with so many different things. It's going to transition so nicely into different seasons. You can just put a nice cardigan over this, a blazer over this, your favorite, shall I say, fall jacket. This fun graphic t-shirt, as you can see here, it's so beautiful. I love just doing a front knot on this and pairing it with your favorite flowy skirt, maybe some fun pants. I showed something very similar to this in a recent video, but it was in the white version. I paired it with some pink pants. Here I'm just showing you what it looks like with a nice pair of white shorts. Very classic, very timeless. It says refreshing and delicious. Yes, that's exactly how I feel about this t-shirt. Peplum, peplum, peplum. Seeing it everywhere all over the interwebs, and for good reason. And might I say, this is the perfect top. It is so chic, and if you're feeling a little bit more bloated, maybe you're experiencing some menopause or perimenopause, or it's that time of the month, like, it just covers everything and you can still look really cute. I love the smocking on here. Very stretchy, very comfortable. This gorgeous orange and white stripes, nice spaghetti straps, pairs with so many different things. This would also look stunning with a fun pair of jeans, or maybe even, ooh, I would say some white capris. This is a dress that's been viral all over the interwebs. I've been seeing a ton ton of orange and I'm here for it. I'm loving the orange vibe. This dress is very flowy. I love the neckline on this. It feels really great on the body. If it gets a little bit cooler, just put a cardigan over top or a blazer. A jean jacket would look really beautiful with this as well. A wedge sandal, a jelly sandal. And it even has these gorgeous functional pockets here on the side. So fun. Super quick, if you're enjoying this video, will you please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so that I can reach more people. Now this one, another Anthropologie look for less. Look at the gorgeous floral details on this dress. I also love that it's a tube top that stays up so you can showcase some of your favorite jewelry. It's also stretchy here in the back. The length on this is wonderful. It feels really good on the body. The dress speaks for itself. I do not yet know where I am taking her out, but she is going to be going somewhere fun and fabulous. It'd be great for a wedding guest dress, a brunch, shopping, a date night, really anywhere. I love a good button-down dress. I showed this in a recent video, but in a different color version. Here we have it in sort of this tomato red, salmon color, if you will, depending upon how you're looking at it and how the light hits it. I love that it's short sleeve, but they're cuffed. It also has the beautiful collar. You can button it up, you can button it down. It came with a tie belt, but you could totally change it out for your favorite belt. The length on this is so fun. You can look so chic in this dress, but you can also make it very playful, but also very saucy, if you know what I mean. This tank top, so beautiful. Look at this stunning hardware on the front, a gorgeous flower. I also love that it ties around the neck. This is perfect for a date night or a very hot summer day, transitioning into the fall. I'm here in Minnesota, so we're still gonna have hot weather into the end of September, most likely. I love this butter yellow combination paired with something white and crisp, but it also look really nice with blacks and ooh, mocha, yes. This fun baby doll dress, it's sort of in this really pale yellow color, if you will. The straps are fully adjustable on this, making it super comfortable, so fun, so girly and dainty. This is another Anthropologie inspired dress, but you know, a fraction of the cost on Amazon, but still excellent quality. I love this color combination. I love that the straps are a little bit thicker so you can wear your most comfortable bra. I am 5'7" if you are brand new here, and everything that I purchased here today is in a size small. You're seeing this two-piece set that I previously showed you, but in a different color combination. I just fell in love with this online. This is giving me resort vibes, vacation vibes, basically any place that you'd want to be besides cold weather and rainy and gloom and doom. This is like bright and happy and sunshine to me. This next two-piece set, so beautiful here in this stunning yellow color. I love the buttons down the front. They're sort of, I don't know, turtle inspired, if you will. I love that it's very flowy. The skirt comes with functional pockets. The waistband is also nice and stretchy. There's so much that you can do with this. You can really elevate this depending upon the jewelry and how you accessorize it and your purse, but make it very casual as well. A really cute sun hat, maybe some nice jellies or flat sandals that are your favorite and most comfortable. This white and yellow gingham dress, so beautiful, very similar to the one that I previously showed you, but in a different color and pattern option. This also came with the tie belt, so you can completely take that off if you want to. I think it looks really cute with it on. The length on this is wonderful. I love the pops of yellow. Yellow just makes me happy and it reminds me of sunshine and all good things. Now this skirt is so fun, so flowy. This is in the low rise variation. However, it's not so low rise where you feel like it's falling off you. This is in a size small. There's so much that you can do with this. I'm just showing you this in a white tank top. It has a built-in bra, but I think this would look really nice with an oversized sweater. I'm thinking white or maybe some sort of brown, that combination here with this butter yellow. Actually, this is sort of more of a canary yellow depending upon how the light hits it, but that color combination looks so nice and refreshing. This skirt also transitions really nicely into the fall. A jean jacket with this look really nice. This floral skirt by one of my favorite brands on Amazon, Pretty Garden. I love all the color options, lots of different sizing options. This makes me want to like go to the apple orchard or do something fun outside. It still gives me summer vibes, but also a hint of fall, if you know what I mean. The slit here is down the front of this skirt, which makes it a little different, a little bit fun, makes it easy to move around. So you can do a lot with this. I have 4 kids if you are brand new here, so I need to be able to bend and move and groove, and my 6-year-old still likes to get picked up, and I will as long as I can. So I need to be able to, you know, like, well, you know, with small kids, you're getting on the ground, you're getting up, you still want to look really cute at the same time, but you need clothes that are going to work with you. The pattern on this skirt is so pretty. Nice stretchy waistband as well, so I can wear it as a high-rise skirt, which is my absolute favorite. These striped pants are viral all over the internet. I love the tie here with the red detail. Pair this with a fun graphic tee, your favorite wedge sandals or jellies. This is also a great transition piece into the fall. They're nice and lightweight, stretchy stretchy, 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 which I love. Pair this with an oversized sweater, a jean jacket, these nice fun pockets on the front for added interest and detail. I showed in a previous video some really beautiful scalloped shorts, but when I found these, I fell in love. I'm gonna call this tomato red, which we're seeing a lot of. In fact, at Lululemon, that was one of their hottest colors most recently. These shorts fit perfectly into that category. The scallops here on the bottom, just so beautiful. I know not a lot of people love shorts. I absolutely love shorts because when it is so hot out, I want to be cool, like 90-degree, high 80s. I need to be cool. I want to be able to move around like you get where I'm coming from here. So shorts, I love shorts. But if you don't love shorts and you're looking for some to buy, this one right here is so beautiful. There's a lot that you can do with these. I think this pairs so nicely with crisp white. A gray would look even beautiful on this. You could also do a monochromatic look with reds and tomato reds. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Andrea Jeanco because I post on Instagram stories every single day. And be sure to shop my Amazon storefront, amazon.com/shop/AndreaG1. Click on photos and you can visually shop every single thing. In fact, you get sneak peeks there because that's where I upload everything first before it actually makes its way to here on YouTube. Everything's linked down below and we have got to keep the fun going. So click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.